look. Everyone turn your bodies and look at my beautiful number line. Can you say hi, number line?
Hi.
I'm going to start at 1 because how many apples did Tyler have? Malia. He had 1. How many apples did Gianna have?
6.
I'm looking for friends that are raising their hand quietly and sitting crisscross applesauce. Madison, how many did Gianna have?
7.
7. So how many hops do I have to make? I heard someone over here say it. How many hops do I have to make, Lila? 7. So can we count from 1 and count 7 together? Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So someone tell me, whisper to me, how many apples do I have in all? I should have 8 apples. Because how many apples did we have all together on our card? 8. Let's count together. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So how many all together? 8. Good job. One more thing. Okie dokie.
Oh, the show.
We need to come up with an equation. What could a good equation be for our date today? What could a good equation be? Naomi. 6 plus what equals 8?
10.
6 plus 10 equals 8? Look how many I have. Let's count 6 together. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 plus.
16.
One more time. Let's count 6 together. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
7.
So how many more apples do I need to get to 8? 6 plus. If I want to go from 6, come over here with me. If I want to go from 6 to 8, how many jumps do I need to make? 1. Let's count them together. Ready? 1, 2. How many hops do I have to make?
2.
So 6 plus equals. Good job. 6 plus 2 equals 8. I'm going to give the connection signal to Naomi because I think that's correct. Who has another equation that equals 8? Another equation that equals 8. Malia.
11 minus 2 is 8.
So you, oh, this is subtraction now. Okay, let's look at 11. Everyone turn your bodies. Look back at my number line for me. Let's start at 11. She said I am taking 2 hops backwards. So can we count 2 hops together? 1, 2. Is that 8? How many more hops do we need to go back to 8? 1. So let's count back from 11. How many hops? 1, 2, 3. So how many hops backwards do I have to make to get to 8, Lila? 3. So I could say 11 minus 3 equals 8. Yes, Shay, did you have one too?
Yeah.
Okay. What's your next one?
0 plus 8 equals 8.
0 plus 8 equals 8. Thumbs up if you agree. 0 plus 8 equals 8. Good job, friends. Give yourselves a pat on the back. Pat on the back. Turn your bodies one more time for me. Turn your bodies one more time for me. Can we look at our super duper graph real quick? Turn and talk to your partner and whisper. What do you notice about my shapes? Whisper, what do you notice about my shapes? What do you notice about my shapes? Which one has one? What's that called? What's that called?
And 3
If you hear my voice, clap one time.
onto the bottom,
If you hear my voice, clap 2 times.
on the
If you hear my voice,
bottom,
clap 3 times.
under the triangle.
If you hear my
I
voice, eyes
see
on me.
one rhombus.
Someone
under
raise their hand. Tell me, what do you notice about my shapes? Hayden?
There is one triangle, 3 and 1 rhombus, and 3 trapezoid and 2 hexagons.
Hayden said there's one triangle. Do we have one triangle?
Yes.
He says we have 3 trapezoids. Do we have 3 trapezoids?
Yes.
Then he says we have 1 rhombus. Do we have 1 rhombus? And then he says we have 2 hexagons. Do we have 2 hexagons? Now, I need someone to help me out. I need someone to help me put all these numbers on my chart. Remember when we did this last week? We counted all of our shapes and we put them all on a big chart like this one. We're going to do the same thing with this week. How many triangles did we say we have? Looking for a volunteer to come up. Quinn. How many triangles did we have? Can you tell the class how many triangles we had? 1. So where am I going to write my 1? Good job, Quinn. What cheer would you like? Round of applause for Quinn. Good job. Next. How many trapezoids do I have? Looking for a volunteer. Alina, thank you for sitting so patiently. Tell the class, how many trapezoids did we have?
3.
3. So where am I going to write 3? Good job, Alina. What cheer would you like? Slithering snakes. Good job. Next one. I have a rhombus. How many rhombuses did I have on my chart of Coos?
1.
Want to come up and tell the class? Coos, how many rhombuses did I have?
1.
So where am I going to write 1? Good job, Coos. What cheer would you like? Disco. Disco for Coos. Last but not least, I have my hexagons. I'm looking for a super duper star student. Madison. Come on up. Madison, how many hexagons did I have? You don't know, you can look at the chart. How many hexagons did I have?
2.
I had 2. So where am I going to write 2?
On the bottom.
Can you write that for me? Good job, Madison. What cheer would you like?
Disco.
Disco for Madison. Good job, baby. Are we done yet? I don't know. I still see an empty box. My box said, how many blocks in all? How many blocks in all? Evan, how many do we have in all? 7? How did you know it was 7? Do you want to come up and show the class? So Evan said that he knew 2 plus 1 equals 3. Did I write that right? Yeah. He knew that 2 plus 1 is 3. Then he said 3 plus 1 equals 4. So we have 3 and 4. And guess what he did after that? He just added these two numbers together. What's 4 plus 3? Meadow? 7. So how many blocks do we have in all? Whisper to me. 7. Good job. What shade would you like, Evan? Cowboy. Yeehaw, cowboy. Thank you. All right. This is the last thing we have to do. I promise. Now that we're done with week 2, we need to go to week 3. So guess what? Say goodbye to my triangle.
Goodbye.
Say goodbye to my trapezoids.
Bye.
Say goodbye to my rhombuses. And then say goodbye to my hexagons.
Bye.